Next parma economic development defines the government pathina undertake many project economical development பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு countryக்கு. So railways, power project, irrigation project, heavy industries, etc. So that the only mean to the mobilizing resources into the public debt தேவைப்படுது. So due to the heavy public expenditures, the government always pays the defect to the budget. Such a defect have to be financing only through the borrowings. Okay, அப்ப finance தேவைப்படுறப்ப borrow பண்ணுது. ஓகேவா? Employment. So employment pathina most of the government of modern days face the problems of unemployment தான். It become due to the solve this making huge public expenditure. So solve the unemployment problems and fight recessions, government has to make huge expenses க்கு என்ன பண்ணனும்னா state have a reserves of the public debt. Controlling inflation, government can withdraw the excess money from the circulations of என்ன பண்ணா rising the public debt, prevent the price from the rising. As fighting depressions. During the depression passes the private investments lacking இருக்கப்ப government apply the compensatory public spending to the borrowing from international and external sources வந்து அப்ப அதுக்கு தேவைப்படுது அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. சரிங்களா? Methods of redemptions of the public debt. The process of repaying the public debt பார்த்தீங்கன்னா called redemption சொல்லுவாங்க. The government sells securities at the public and the time of the maturity the securities surrender to the government. Government surrender பண்ணி ரிட்டர்ன் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னா அதுக்கான பணத்தை வாங்கிப்பாங்க. The following methods என்னன்னா sinking fund method. Under the method the government என்ன பண்ண establish separate funds known as sinking பண்ணுவாங்க. Separate fund தான் sinking பண்ணுறாங்க. The government credits every years the fixed amount of money to this fund. By times of debt matures, the funds accumulates enact the amount of pay of principals along to the interest. This was first introduced வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இங்கிலாந்து வந்து வால்பால். அதே மாதிரி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கன்வர்ஷன் த லோன் அனதர் மெத்தட்ஸ் redemptions public debt அடுத்தது கன்வர்ஷன் தான். மெத்தட் ஆஃப் த ஓல்டு லோன் ஆஃப் கன்வீனியன்ட் இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா இந்த now loan என்ன பண்ணுன்னா under the systems the high interest of public debt inconvenient converted into a low interest of the public debt அப்படியே மாத்திக்கிறது. So Dalton felt அப்படிங்கிறது டெபிட் கன்வர்ஷன் ஆக்சுவலி ரிலாக்ஸேட் ஆஃப் த டெப்ட் பேர்டனை குறைக்கிறதுக்கான ஒரு ரிலாக்ஸேஷன் அமையும் அப்படின்னு. அடுத்தது budgetary surplus. When the government present surplus budget, it can be utilized for repayment the debt. Surplus occur when public revenue exceeding the public expenditures. However, the method is rarely possible அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. அடுத்து terminal annuity அப்படின்னா in this method the government pay of the public debt is based the terminal annual equal annual installments அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. This is the easiest way to the pay of the public debt அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. Reputation அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பார்த்தோம்னா the easiest the way of the government to get a right to the burden payment of a loan. The such cases the government does not recognize the obligations repay the loan. The certain not paying of the loans but they destroyed it. However, the normal cases of the government does not do so. If does it with will losses of credibility அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. Resource of the rate of interest another methods of the debt reductions is the compulsory reductions in the rate of interest during the time of financial crisis. Capital levy. When the government's imposed levy of the capital assets owned by an individual or any institution, it is called capital levy. The levy imposed on capital assets above the minimum limit on a progress fee. The funds of the collectively and by used the government for the paying of for time debt obligation. This is most controversial methods of the debit repayment. Next one is budget. The word budget is said to have to the organ to the French budget which is the refer to the small leather bag. The budget is the annual financial statement which shows the estimated the income expenditure government from the income and financial year எவ்வளவு நடக்கும் அப்படின்னு முன்னாடி போடுற ஒரு திட்டம் தான் பட்ஜெட்ங்கிறாங்க. Definition is the document contained in the preliminary approved plan, public revenue and expenditures. அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ரெனே அப்படிங்கிறது சொல்கிறாரு. Budget has come to mean the financial arrangements of a given period within the usual implications that they have been submitted to the legislator after approval அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு பாஸ்டபிள் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாரு. யூனியன் பட்ஜெட், ஸ்டேட் பட்ஜெட் அப்படிங்கிறது என்ன அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா, India is the federal economical, hence public budget is divided into the two layers of the government. According to the Indian constitutions, the central government has to submit annual financial statement, union budget under the articles 112 to the parliament. Each state government has to be submitted the same of the starting to the legislative assembly under the articles 202. The types of budget, revenue and capital budget. On the basis of the expenditures, revenue account to the other accounts of the budget can be represented in two ways. Revenue budget is considered to the revenue receipt and revenue expenditure. Moreover, the revenue receipt can be categorized into the tax revenue and non-tax revenue. Revenue expenditures can also be categorized into the planned revenue expenditures and non-planned revenue expenditures. Capital budget, it is considered a capital receipt and capital expenditures. In this cases of the main sources of capital receipt is loan, advance, etc. Okay, so on this other side, capital expenditures can be categorized into the planned capital expenditures and non-capital expenditures. Supplementary budget, during the time of the war, emergency in the natural climates like tsunami, flood, expenditures allotted to the budget prevent not always to the under this circumstances. The supplementary budget can be presented by the government to tackle the unforeseen events. Vote on the account under the articles 116 of the Indian Constitution. The budget the present in the middle of the year. The reasons of the may be political in nature. The excess of the government may not continue the year. Accounts of the elections due to the government placed lambda budget அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. This also vote on the accounting budget. Next, components of budget அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பார்த்தோம்னா, budget receipt, budget expenditure சொல்லிட்டு இருக்குது, revenue and capital receipt சொல்லி நிறைய இருக்குது. அப்படின்னு ப்ரோஜெக்டில் பார்த்துக்குவோம். vote on account budget is a special providing அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. Government get a premises for the parliamentary incurred expenditures necessary till budget is finally passed the parliament அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. So legal permission to the both the houses of the parliament and two houses Lok Sabha Rajya Sabha. Withdrawal of the money, the considered to the fund of India, meet to the reduced expenditures in the budget. Finally, provide the norm of the vote on account budget. The type of the budget generally sanctioned for not more than the 2 months. அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. சரிங்களா, 2 months முன்னாடி 2 months மேலே அவங்க சாங்ஷன் ஆகுது. So zero based budget, the government in India presented zero based budget, GBP first, 1887-88. It involving fresh evaluation of the expenditures in the government budget, assuming in the new items the revival has been made in a provide justification or otherwise of the project as the whole of the light of the social economic objectives which have been already set up for the budget and as well as in view of the priorities of the society. Performance budget, when the outcome of any activities is taken as the base of the budget, any budget, such budget is known as the performance budget. For the first times of the world, the performance budget was made in the USA. Administrative refer to the commission set up in 1949 America under this Sir Hopper. This is a commission recommended the making of a performance budget USA. In the performance budget, it is the compulsory of a government to tell what is done, how much done, so to the betterments of the peoples in India. Performance budget is also known as the outcome budget. Okay, wow. So balanced budget versus unbalanced budget. Balanced budget balanced budget is the situations in which estimated the revenue of the government during the year equal to its anticipated expenditures. Government estimated the revenue equal to government proposed the expenditures. Types of budget la first unbalanced budget The budget in which revenue and expenditures not equal to each other is known as the unbalanced budget. Unbalanced budget in two types: surplus budget, defective budget. Surplus budget அப்படின்னா budget is a surplus அப்படின்னா when they estimated the revenue in the year greater than anticipating expenditures. Government expenditure estimated the revenue greater than the government expenditures. அதை விட revenue அதிகமாக. Effective budgetனா the one who the estimated the government expenditures is more than the expenses விட revenue வந்து revenue விட expenditures அதிகமாகிறது. சரியா? ஸோ budgetary process அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா a budgetary process refers to the system of the budgetary preparing and the executed. Preparing the budget அப்படின்னா the minimum financing, preparing the central budget every year as the state level of financial department. Responsibility for the annual state budget while the preparing the budget is following factor taken into the accounts. Macroeconomic targets to be achieved the planned process, basing strategy of the budget, the financial requirements of the different project, estimating the revenue expenditures including defense expenditures and subsidized interest payment and the debt, etc. So estimated of the capital expenditures including developing of the railway, roadway, irrigation. Estimated the revenue received from the tax and non-tax revenues. So estimated of the capital received from the recovery of the loans, disinvestment of the public sector's units, market of the borrowing, etc. Estimate of the gap between the revenue received and revenue expenditures. Estimate of the fiscal defect and primary defect and revenue defect அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. சரிங்களா? ஸோ ப்ராசஸ் ஆஃப் ப்ரிப்பேரிங் த பட்ஜெட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பார்த்தோம்னா ஒன் பை ஒன்னாக நமக்கு என்னென்ன ப்ராசஸில் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பார்த்தோம்னா ப்ரெசன்டேஷன் ஆஃப் த பட்ஜெட். The Honorable of the Ministry of the Finance of the behalf of the central government pays the union budget before the parliament of the event of the new financial year. Similar at the state level under Harbin's Financial Ministry of the respect of the state government places of the state budget before the state legislature. So according to the Indian Counseling, all the money bill must be instituted in the low house of the all the money bill are financial place of the before the Lok Sabha at the central before the Vidya Sabha at the state level. Demands of various tax proportion are including the budget. After the finance bill passes the appropriations bill of the present due legal effort of the old demand. The authorities of the expenditures budget, they have the budgetary enhance of the India actually allows the executing of the budget. Budget is the mainly executing by the different department of the governments. Preparing executing of the budgetary provisions are the importance for the efficiency utilization of the allocation fund. Okay, did you understand for this concept, ma?